Hey guys, and welcome to another video of Unlock Panda. Today I will be doing a short video demonstrating how to unlock a Samsung Galaxy S10e. So I'm gonna be doing it with this model, but the same process applies for other Samsung Galaxy models. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you have to do is go and find your IMEI number. You have to go to the phone app, go to the dial screen, and then you're gonna have to press *#0 6#. There you will see a 15-digit number on your screen. This is your IMEI number, so make sure you write it down somewhere, as we will need it on the next step. Okay, let's put the phone down. Now go to your computer and go to the unlockpanda.com website. In here you will have to provide some information about your phone. So the first thing you have to enter is the original carrier. This is the carrier where the phone is currently locked to. So mine, it's on United States AT&T. Then the manufacturer, this is a Samsung. Then the exact model. There are many Samsung models, so make sure you select the correct one. There are two types. There's the economic service and there's the premium service. The difference is the cost and the delivery time. So I'm gonna go with the premium. Then the IMEI number, which is the 15-digit number we found out on the previous step. The email where you wish to receive the unlock code, and if you want to receive updates on your phone, you can enter your phone number here. I'm not gonna do that. At the bottom you can see the price as well as the delivery time. So let's go ahead, click on unlock. Okay, on this page you can see a brief summary, so make sure that everything looks good. And then you can go to the bottom where you can proceed with the payment. I'm gonna do it with PayPal, which I think it's a very secure method. You just have to log in your account information. Okay, and if everything's okay, you're gonna be receiving an email just like this, depending on the delivery time. Your Samsung unlock code is ready. So let's open it. And here you can see detailed step-by-step instructions of how to insert your unlock code. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the phone. We have to turn off the phone. Okay, and now we have to insert an unsupported SIM. So in this case, I can insert any SIM except one from AT&T. Okay. So I'm gonna put one from Verizon. And then we have to turn on the phone again. Okay, so after the phone is completely on, it should automatically ask me for the unlock code. Okay, let's go in. And there you go. It's asking me for the unlock code. So let's look at our email, find where the unlock code is located, and let's go ahead and enter the unlock code carefully. Let's try not to make any mistakes here. After we're done entering the unlock code, you'll have to press on the unlock key, and we shouldn't have any trouble here. Okay, let's go ahead and press the unlock key, and there you go. You should get a confirmation message. Now your Samsung Galaxy S10e is completely factory unlocked. There you go, guys. I hope this video was useful, and I'll catch you on the next video. See ya.